Alright guys, we're back at it again. This is our second machine that's coming to this location. This machine is possibly one of the world's best large format laminators. It comes from France. It is exciting. Can't wait to see these doors open up and show you what's inside. The world's best large format laminator, and this is a real hefty piece of equipment right here. It's not like other laminators which are in the market. It comes with a pretty decent price point, but the people who buy this machine know exactly why they're buying it, and serves a very particular purpose. So for the most discerning customers who want the very best in lamination, you can't go wrong with the Arkane laminator. So this is how we are going to bring the laminator down from this. It's really heavy, this laminator. So you can see it takes a lot of strength to actually kind of like push it down this little ramp here. And there you have it. So this is our first look at the Arkane laminator. Absolutely gorgeous looking machine. So even though it's heavy duty, it has a very slim profile, you can see. So it fits almost anywhere. But the mechanisms, the rollers, the ability to laminate UV surfaces, well, can't go wrong with the Arkane. So here it is, making its grand entrance. And what you'll notice immediately is the quality of the roller. Okay, this roller is where the magic happens. So you can see that's the thing, made in France, the laminator. So you can see that they can lift the table. Okay, so you can lift the table so that what happens is that if you want to do a direct mounting, it makes it very easy. You don't have to use the top part if you don't want to. So it's very ergonomically designed. Right? It's lightweight. You can do it with one hand, and kind of like just do the mounting at the back. There are two rollers. You can see. Okay, they're perfectly level. And also, this doesn't use a compressor system, so it's purely electrical. So if you don't like that noise, this is very ideal. As for the front part here, you can see it's all electronics, all digital. So you can increase or decrease the roller thickness. You can also have a bit of heat assistance. So some material, if you want, you can kind of like use a heater. And we have the speed and a step pedal as well. So it is very well designed. It's extremely rugged. Okay, everything is well placed. And if you can see, compared to the traditional laminators, they require like a compressor. It's rather bulky with many rolls going from either side. Your table is kind of like fixed. So there are very clear advantages with the Arkane system, but also definitely the quality of the lamination that you will get from this system is spectacular. Very little bubbles, like a fuss-free laminator. So it's well worth the investment if you're looking for a top-notch laminator. Can't go wrong with the Arkane laminator. Okay, so Kwang is going to insert this filament. This has to be very gentle with it because it's a tube. You can see kind of it, like the bit of it glossing around. Anyone bumps into him right now, basically the filament is gone. So he has to be very careful. You can see how nice and shiny that is. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so we are adding the additional filament for the laminator to give it its heat assistance. It's a really unique piece of equipment right here. He has to be very careful because any false move will break this glass. So he has to handle it with care. And Kwang is very well experienced in doing this. Alright, so he's done it on one side, and Oscar is spotting this way. So it's a very careful process. And they have to be extremely cautious doing this. And there you have it. So the USC team is very well experienced in doing this, so they are able to get it done fairly quickly.